Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account. And from this interface guys, in order to remove your Bitmoji, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your profile picture or your Bitmoji icon. First tap on it, and over here on this interface at the top right corner of the screen there is a settings or the gear icon. Tap on it again, and over here guys you can see the Bitmoji option available for us just below the notifications. If you scroll down, tap on Bitmoji, and in order to remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat guys, tap on only my Bitmoji and tap on the remove button over here, and then your Bitmoji from Snapchat will be removed. And guys, this is how you remove your Bitmoji on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.